Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this picture and asked how to take a circle out of the center of it. Well, it's not going to work because it's not a vector drawing. This is a bitmap, and so it's really easy. You don't have to do anything. It's black and white basically, so you just need to go to Trace, Outline Trace, Clip Art in just a few seconds. And I could have it remove the colors, but I always do it this way, and you'll see that it's got a bunch of whites in it. So here is what we can do. We can go to, with it selected, go to Group, Ungroup, and just grab a part of the black, and then the white stayed there and the black's there. So we can get rid of all that white. Matter of fact, you could actually use that white for something else if you ever wanted to, for a different pattern. You know, you could, well, not do that, but select your pattern and have a completely different, a little bit different pattern, kind of the opposite, but that's neither here nor there. So we need to put a circle in the center. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then I'm just going to draw an ellipse holding down the control button and hit P. Now, here's kind of the reason I decided to make the video. It all depends on whether you want this circle to have an outline or not. So we're going to nudge it out of the way. Let's see how big this thing is. It's only 4 inches. So we're going to nudge it out 6 inches. We're going to grab the circle and nudge it out of the way, Control D, and make a duplicate. Well, why did it not go back 4 inches? Control D. There we go. Now just select everything and go right here, and it's either going to be back minus front or front minus back, and it was back minus front. Now you don't have an outline to this circle, and if you wanted an outline to that circle, you could take this ellipse, because we nudged it, turn it to black and something other than a hairline. I'm using somebody else's file a while ago, and turn it black. And then when you nudge it back, now your circle has a border around there. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.